guys, it's ATL. What's up, you guys? So I know you guys, I'm just going to work. So that's gonna be fun and exciting. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. Hey guys, so right now you guys are taking the drain out. So that is what's going on.
Yeah, ham, beef, and broccoli, you guys.
I just got home and I'm just editing some thumbnails from my main channel. So we are gonna try to do like that. So we are making some improvements on my main channel, you guys. Some videos are gonna take a little while to try to figure out what I'm gonna do to it yet, but I'm just trying to edit some thumbnails so it makes it easier. I don't know. So that's kind of what's going on right now. So that is what's going on. So it's just playing down there. So that is what's going on. Guys, so right now you guys are de route this afternoon. That's gonna be fun and exciting. Yeah, that's what's going on, you guys. So right now you guys, we're watching Zootopia 2. So that's what's going on. I'm gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this. Good night.